video is sponsored by Cake Wallet, the easiest open source wallet to store Bitcoin, Monero, and Litecoin securely on mobile and desktop devices. When buying, selling, and exchanging crypto or trading for gift cards, Cake Wallet ensures privacy and security, giving you the keys to your coins. Good morning, everyone, and welcome back to the Daily Zest. I'm your host, Randi Hipper, here today on a lovely and splendid Monday. Happy new week, everybody. I hope you had a great weekend. Thank you guys for being here this morning. SpaghettiOs. We have so much to talk about. Guys, there was a lot of stuff going on over the weekend. There was a lot of news coming out today that I think, and over the weekend, which again, certain things coming out over the weekend is a little bit sus in my opinion. But let me tell you guys, we are going to dive into the craziest stuff. The craziest of things. The craziest of things. Now, we have the market recap, but before I get to the market recap, I need you guys to say good morning to me as I say good morning to you guys. And check out our 3 amazing sponsors of the show, which includes Cake Wallet, Market Cipher. Use code ZESTY for 15% off. Head over to Gemini. Trade $100 in crypto, get 15 bucks in Bitcoin. And let's say good morning. We got Silver Days in the chat, David Lee, Brinko Savage, Aquarian. We got Ben, Jose, David Bulls in the chat, Ulset, Mike Volmer, John Legend, Black Hat, good morning. Let's see. We got Squeaky in the house, Piano, Maddie B. Can I get a sound check? Baby, it's a sound check. I'm gonna check this sweet mic. Why don't you check yourself? Who else we got? We got Lurkin Shark in the chat, James, Poman, Terry. We got Mike S. Happy Monday with the little smiley face emoji. We love the emojis. Sin, good morning. Mike S. Good morning. Who else we got in the chat? Alp, good morning. My girl Alexandra Maji. We have Wifey and Sir Rick. Oh, Sir Wick. Corey, good morning. Who else we got? John Legend. Yukio's on X. Drig, nice to see you. Said Pamp It. Oh, yeah. Pump it up. You got to pump it up. Yes, Bulldog Eric, a member for 23 months. What? Stay zesty, y'all, he says. Guys, 23 months. It's literally almost 2 years. Ronell, good morning. User, hi. Oh my gosh. Wow, Bulldog Eric, almost 2 years. That's flown by. Right, David G, Everlasting Bliss, Canvas. Sash is in the chat. Bullish Bradley, good morning. Who else we got in the chat? I think I got everyone. I think I did. I don't know. Am I missing someone? Oh, Joe Harvey, Cookin. We got Saul. Hello. Ronell, hello. Everyone, hello. Guys, please smash the like, share this out, give me a follow. Let's get it. We have a goal of 150 likes, 150 live viewers. And subscribery, right? Auto cough cough. We have subscribery. 17,331 subscribers is what we got. We want to end it with 335. So again, 4 more. Let's go. Pump it up. You got to pump it up. Crypto Farmer, Mark Dutch is here too. Rob C, Shelby, nice to see y'all. Oh my gosh, such beautiful people in the chat this morning. Oh, Silver Days. Hello, Silver Days. I don't know if I shouted you out yet. I think I did though. I think I did. Yay! Okay, guys, we're gonna get after it this morning. We have the market recap. Let's go. Thank you for the team bracelet. Oh, the cheer. Yay. Thank you for the cheer. All right, guys, we have the market recap this morning. We got a mix of the reds and the greens, but Doge is up, Solana's up, and we're going to talk about Elon in just a moment. We're going to talk about all these people. We have so much political madness. But let's look at the charts first. We got Bitcoin, $67,428 this morning after tapping that all-time high from 2021. Again, like the high of the last bull cycle, 69K. Then we kind of rejected her. And now we're rejecting 67.8, which was the highest daily candle close of November of 2021. So your bullish scenario is to pass that previous bull run high. Past that, we're looking for the $70,000 psychological level and then 71.5. Again, 71.5 is the top of our range here. Bearish level to watch is 64K And even more dangerous is the 200-day SMA sitting at $63,330. And if we reject that, we're going to look at the golden zone of 60K, which would make people lose their minds. Lose their minds completely. We're down 2.43% with the red dot being printed here on market Cipher, which, again, not enjoyable. We have the VWAP that is below this zero line today, which again is giving us some bearish vibes, though we are hoping this curves upwards. The money flow is curving in the wrong way as well, but still bullish and still green, which I'll take, my friends, which I will take with my crazy hair. I will. Then we have the RSI, which was overbought as of yesterday. And again, when you have overbought, that could indicate an incoming downtrend. And that's exactly what we had. So now we're seeing that the RSI came down from that overbought. But again, she needed to cool off. This is just normal. She's a normal gal. A normal gal. Right, V with the hearts. Thank you. Then we're also going to talk about the weekly because we had a spicy weekly candle closure. Let's drag this out a little bit more. Do-do-do. Boo-do-do. Do-do. Now, again, on the weekly, we had that very beautiful, gorgeous candle close at 69K. And again, retracing off of that right now. But again, loving the bullish momentum. And we want to keep closing above this 200-day SMA for multiple weeks to come. Even on the weekly, you're looking at the zest of it all, which is 64K being an important level. We've had selling pressure there in the past on the weekly. So again, we want to stay above that this week. VWAP looks bullish, so does the momentum and the money flow here on the weekly charteries, as well as the RSI, which is still bullish and retracing just a tad, which is aight. She's A-okay. She's all right. This is all right. I'm not worried. Guys, if you could, help a gal out. Please smash the likes, subscribe to the channel, share it out with friends as we take a look at Ethereum today. We're going to take a gander at Ethereum. Oh, before that, though. There was a $20 billion ETF inflow milestone, and people are like, why is Bitcoin not above 70K when we have so much momentum with the ETFs? On October 17th, the U.S. spot ETFs crossed a $20 billion in total net inflow just 10 months after the Bitcoin ETFs debuted. The same milestone took gold ETFs nearly 5 years to achieve. So we did in 10 months what gold couldn't do for 5 years. And gold is boring. Gold is boring. We sleep on gold. Sleep. Well, gold just sleeps. We don't sleep on it. It's just sleeping all the time. Staying on the track, my friends. Staying on the track. We're going to take a look at Ethereum today. Ethereum, oh gosh. Oh gosh. Yes, guys, please smash the like, subscribe, share it out with friends. Guys, we have Ethereum today that, okay, 2770. That is the bullish level to watch, and we could see we've been tapping. We tapped it. But again, the selling pressure is immense. We see that all throughout the past. 2770 has always been quite the issue. But when we held support here, we had some nice price action. The thing is, we also have the 200-day SMA low-key weighting us down. We need to pass this 200-day SMA, pass the $3,000 mark, which is majorly psychological, and then bearish level to watch right now, besides all of this craziness and the selling pressure that we're experiencing at 2770, we're going to look at 2650. Even more bearish if we reject that is 2370. Taking a look at the money flow, where the money flow is nice and green. VWAP is a little bit bearish, although it is above that zero line, so I'm happy about it. Very happy about it. The money flow is nice. She's cute and fun. As the momentum maybe is picking up some speed, we're going to take a look at the RSI. Oopsies, wrong one. RSI. We were almost overbought with this RSI on Ethereum, but then we retraced quite sharply. And again, that shows us we have a lot of room to run with some price action here. So been loving Ethereum, loving Ethereum. Looking at the weekly too, we have that selling pressure exemplified here at this 2770, which shows how crucial it is to pass it. So again, that's our bullish scenario for the week. Bearish scenario for the weekly chartery is that $2,100 Ethereum. $2,100, because again, you see the support that was there, and hopefully if we do somehow return to that level, then we have that support. VWAP is pumping right now. Money flow is pumping. We need this momentum to follow through and go bullish as well on the weekly, where we see that the RSI is chopping it up in the bearish direction, although it was almost neutral going bullish. So I would be aware of that RSI. Keep watching the RSI. Oh, hello, Crimson. Welcome. Let's also take a gander at Litecoin, guys, because we have some Litecoin news. We're going to talk about Litecoin. $72.19 Litecoin, down 2.84%. We're battling the 200-day SMA. Over the weekend, Saturday, Sunday, we were above the 200-day SMA, pimped to that $75 level, which again has a major selling pressure on it. Though right now we are rejecting the 200-day SMA, and again, your bearish level to watch then is $63. Red Dot is printing on this momentum, which again, we don't like at all. Though the VWAP is now bearish as well, pretty strongly bearish, and the money flow is still green. So that gives us some hope and love. The RSI was very, very zesty, just like Ethereum, almost overbought, a little bit of a tease, and then was like, retrace right now. Let's look at weekly Litecoins. Weekly Litecoins. Looking at the $75 mark, the 200-day SMA again being slightly rejected here, and your bearish level to watch is 63. However, again, $75 on the weekly is insane with the selling pressure. Though again, when we had support there, we had some nice price action. Now, we do have the green money flow on the weekly with that momentum that's bullish. The VWAP is bullish, and the RSI exemplifying to us that we have a lot of room to run here because we are just around this neutral / bullish zesty level. I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. Now, also regarding Litecoin news, briefly, we have, where did my Tweety go? Oh, there it is. So we know that last week we saw a Litecoin ETF get filed by Canary Funds, which is a new investment firm for crypto launched by Valkyrie Funds founder. Now again, TradFi entering the space. We can't tell them not to because it's a decentralized permissionless space. However, Litecoin's founder and creator, Charlie Lee, made a statement. He's like, I'm very excited to see the Litecoin ETF filing by Canary Capital. We're definitely seeing a lot of institutional demand for Litecoin. This is clear from the daily growth on the Grayscale Litecoin Trust with a price that is over twice the NAV. Given that Litecoin is a commodity very similar to Bitcoin, I hope to see the Litecoin ETF approved very soon. And so do I. Pump it up. You got to pump it up. Because again, people are sleeping on Litecoin, and again, I cannot understand why. It's the #1 payments token, has a finite supply of 84 million, proof of work, completely decentralized, and I love it. And I love it. So shout out to Litecoin, shout out to Charlie Lee, and shout out to Canary for being the first people to file this Litecoin ETF, which we all viewed as inevitable. Okay, I just thought this was fun. So basically, guys, over the weekend, Donnie T visited McDonald's because we know the political reason why he did that. However, this was such a crypto bro move. We know that Donnie T has had all his NFTs. He's had his token launch for World Liberty Financial, and this was wild. So he was literally in McDonald's doing all the fries. Take a gander.
Open it up. Keep it tight. We got the salt on it. Never touches the human hand.
Very good.
Nice and full.
Thank you.
Good. Open it up.
This man, like, he was like reading or like saying the protocol never touches a human hand. So there were people crowded outside of this McDonald's. I think, where was it? I think it was Pennsylvania or something, Philly, something to that extent, where he was at. And so that was hilarious. So basically, McDonald's is going to get a lot of sales. The McDonald's is getting a lot of hype right now. And so this was something that was very interesting. And I think it definitely made a statement, for a lack of better words. Now, also staying in the Politico realm, we also have Elon that is endorsing John Deaton for Senate. And guys, John Deaton, if y'all are in Massachusetts and you're sick of Liz Warren, we need to do something and get her out of here because she is a monster. And if you guys are a fan of that, if you guys think we should fire Liz Warren, put a flame emoji, Liz Warren emoji. There you go. Put the fire emoji, Liz emoji, fire emoji, Liz emoji. I need to see the lizardry. I need to see the lizardry. All right, guys, take a gander at this tweet. Brian Armstrong from Coinbase. So, Meta Lawman said if you live in Massachusetts, you should be voting for John Deaton. He has done more for crypto freedom than any other person in that position. His opponent, Senator Warren, founder of the anti-crypto army, believes you should be debanked if you invest in things she does not like. Well, Brian Armstrong retweets this and says, agreed, Massachusetts residents should vote for John Deaton. Crypto holders in Massachusetts should realize Liz Warren is the one who got Gary Gensler his job and encouraged him to unlawfully try and kill the crypto industry in America. Luckily, they did not succeed as we and others fought back. She is anti-freedom. She thinks the government should run all financial services similar to, hold on, we have the sound for this,
China.
And has done enormous harm to the industry, which I agree with. And who else agrees? Elon Musk said yes, simply YES. So now Elon is also dropping bombs out here, endorsing John Deaton for Senate. Shout out to John Deaton. Shout out to the zesty person. Zesty person. Yep, get Liz out of here. Goodbye, Liz. Fire Liz Warren. Fire Liz Warren.
Oh my God!
So we have a lot of things leading up to this marathon that's just, 2 weeks away now? Less? Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Things are going to get really heated in the next few days, in the next few weeks. So just buckle up, kids, because it's just getting started. And I really hope that John Deaton gets his seat and we're able to reform Massachusetts and help the crypto industry with John Deaton, because this man is an actual person. Liz Warren, gosh knows what kind of morals she has, because clearly she has none. Now, also speaking of the trad system and how corrupt it is, well, we do not see this information in the media. And get ready, kids. Hold on. I think we should actually get a drum roll for this one. Where's my drum roll? There has been yet another bank failure. And why in the world has this not been covered? Guys, there has been a bank failure. Where's the zest? Where is the mainstream? Nowhere. This was on Saturday that they did this. They closed this bank on a Friday, and we notice this, that there's always sus stuff that they drop on Fridays, news that they drop on Fridays because they don't want it to affect the market. So this bank closed on Friday, and Saturday people were like, what's going on here? Well, it failed. It's gone kaploo. Hold on, come back.
And signal callers.
What the sheesh? What the sheesh? Where did this go? Oh, there we go.
Pike Pass is your best travel buddy for savings this year.
Well, we have to wait for that to pass. Hold on. We got 7 seconds. But yeah, this is what's happening. We have all the banks that are currently failing right now.
Ice.
Activity tonight at a failed bank in Lindsay that abruptly closed Friday. Viewers noticing this evening a flurry of activity in and outside the bank, including installation of a new sign marking the takeover by First Bank and Trust. Now, Friday, the office of the Comptroller of Currency closed the First National Bank of Lindsay after identifying, quote, false and deceptive bank records suggesting fraud. Fraud that the OCC said led to the depletion of the bank's capital. They also said the bank was in unsafe or unsound condition to conduct business. The OCC has referred the matter to the United States Department of Justice.
So you're telling me that the mainstream media is not covering a bank that closed out of nowhere and that they had fraud that depleted their capital? What in the world does that mean? What were they funding? What actually happened at this bank? And now that it's so unsafe to work there and it's been taken over. So now the OCC, the Office of the Comptroller of the Currency, handed this over to the Department of Justice. Yet again, have you seen anything going on? No, no, no. And if you look on the FDIC website, they said on Friday, October 18th, the First National Bank of Lindsay was closed by the Officer of the Comptroller of the Currency. The FDIC was named receiver. No advance notice is given to the public when a institution is closed. All insured deposits have been transferred to First Bank and Trust Co. And so you could see that the FDIC takes over. Nobody, they even say, no advance notice is given to the public. Why don't they give you an advance notice? Because they don't want the bank runs. And the bank runs are still happening. Guys, this is insane. This is actually insane. So we have the banks that are failing, the media that doesn't cover it, and another reason why we need to be able to be our own bank and educate people on what it means to be in crypto. Because here's the problem, friends. Here's the problem. When you have people that are unaware of banks closing until they're actually made aware. And then when they are aware, like we had First Republic, we had SVB, Silicon Valley Bank, then people were like, SpaghettiOs, now I got to go to the bank and see if I can get my money out. Because they went on their magical bank app and their magical bank app didn't work. So people started to panic. They were lining up outside these banks like it was a literal Black Friday sale at Best Buy trying to get a flat screen TV. And you know what? They just had to worry and shake in their boots if they're going to be able to feed their family this weekend. That's not fair. And when is there going to be a point where this actually just never opens again? No banks open again. Credit cards don't work. Nothing works and they just shut the doors. You know, they've done that before. And ATMs have run out of money before. And then what happened? People panic. And that's what's going to happen, which is why you need Bitcoin, where you are your own bank. You go on your wallet, your crypto's actually there, and you could send it to whoever you want, whenever you want, 24/7, 365, with no censorship and no intermediaries. Being your own bank is the most important thing out there. And this is the reason why, because banks are failing and they don't tell you. And plus, yes, someone made a good point. They want you to tell them what you're doing with your money. Like, why am I telling you what I'm doing? Wrong. Absolutely wrong. So what people are going to start doing now is putting money under their mattress, which poses a physical threat to yourself. So if someone comes in your house and they know you have money under your mattress, well, bless your hearts, my friend. That puts you at a physical risk. That's why you need Bitcoin. So just like that, a bank is gone and no one can do anything about it. And it will just get taken over. It'll just get taken over. But how many more banks are going to keep acquiring other banks until there are none left? And so this is also the problem where we're going to see all the bigger banks buy the smaller banks, and then it's going to be just two banks that are left, and then it's going to become one bank that's left, and then they're going to force you to have a CBDC because that's all you're going to have an option to use in the trad system. So that's why you got to opt out of this tyranny. We have to opt out of this lack of trust and opt in to a system where we are able to control our money, own it, and have our value maintained. Especially when they're just printing, and we have no say in it. None. I use a bank that the Gov considers too big to fail, Galaxy 9. I don't think any of them are too big to fail. You see all these banks getting in trouble for fraud. This bank specifically, there was so much fraud that it depleted their capital at the bank. How much money is that? What fraudulent activity went through that bank? They'll never tell you. And we should be able to find out. But there's no transparency. Why? Because it's a closed private system, not an open ledger like Bitcoin and crypto. This is blasphemous. Right, Curtis? Right, Bobcat? Right, Creaky? Jay, Verhoofty Floof? Bobby, nice to see you. Why aren't people protesting the lamestream media? I don't know, bro. I don't know. They should. They absolutely should. Right, Omar? Right, Omar? Yeah, there are a lot of things going on in the media that don't make sense, and they'll never report on this. And it's not big enough for them to report on it, but it is a bank failure. It is a bank failure. The banks aren't failing the money system. Well, no, the banks are failing. This is a bank failure. That's exactly what it is. Failed bank information. So yes, this bank did fail. Absolutely, it did. So we could phrase it however we want, but the bank is failing, and so is the trad system. This entire world of fiat currency is designed to fail, and that's a hard pill to swallow, my friends, because there's so many people that are controlled by this system. The whole world is basically controlled by this system, which is why we have a new one. Exactly, we're all gonna make it, which is why y'all have to smash the likes, subscribe to the channel, share it out with friends. We have 20 more likes for 100. Pamp it up. If you guys are bullish on Bitcoin and being your own bank, put a 1 or a yes emoji. And if you're not, you're scared, put a 2 or a no emoji. More banks buying banks. Norwegian bank DNB bought Sweden's Carnegie for $1.14 billion. Yes, another bank buying another bank. Norway's largest bank, DNB, agreed to buy Swedish investment bank and asset manager Carnegie from private equity firm Altor and minority owners for about 12 billion Swedish crowns, which is $1.14 billion, it said on Monday. The acquisition is set to enhance their presence in the Nordic region and increase its fee-based income, according to the CFO. The CFO says this is all, in essence, an income synergy case. We see a significant potential in terms of income generation going forward. There's always an element in terms of cost synergies, but that's very minor in this case. No job cuts, and they wanted an all-cash acquisition. So more banks buying banks. Another sus item going on. The largest bank in Norway, just buying another bank somewhere else. Why not? Sounds fun. Sus. Very sus. Isn't that weird? Isn't that weird? Hi, Muso, son of Mizo. Hi, wifey. Nice to see ya. John Germain is in the chat. Solo Hefe's chilling. I see you. I see you, Coke. I see you. All right. We're also going to talk about the ECB that claims that older Bitcoin holders are exploiting new holders, which is wild. This whole concept is ridiculous. The ECB is absolutely delusional. Absolutely delusional. Put a delulu emoji. Put a delulu emoji if you agree. The ECB, Christine Lagarde, they are insane individuals. So this shocks me. How in the world can people that held Bitcoin from years ago be manipulating or exploiting new people when there's always going to be people like, for example, Nancy P, that are going to come in, manipulate the market by insider trading, and then go and dump on everyone's head? Is that exploiting the new people coming into the market? That actually is, versus people that are holding Bitcoin, an asset that's always been trading for multiple years, and people buy low, sell high. A recent paper published by the ECB on October 12th claimed that older Bitcoin holders profit at the expense of newer holders and argued that the scarce decentralized currency should be regulated to prevent its price from rising or outright banned. This sounds very Jamie Dimon-esque. Oh, if I was the government, I would ban Bitcoin. I would shut it off. Guys, that's not possible. They cannot ban Bitcoin. Very funny that they think they can. Very cutesy. Very not demure. But the authors claim that those who acquired Bitcoin at an earlier date and sold to new investors at a profit were exploiting the new buyers. But this is how all markets work. Because from this foundation, the authors concluded that Bitcoin should face strict price controls, which price controls is a little bit COMMIE. Quote, in any case, current non-holders should realize that they have compelling reasons to oppose Bitcoin and advocate for legislation against it, aiming to prevent Bitcoin prices from rising or to see Bitcoin disappear altogether. In their abstract, it says, while most economists argue that Bitcoin boom is a speculative bubble that will burst, we analyze in this paper the impact of a Bitcoin positive scenario in which it continues to rise in the foreseeable future. What sounds intuitively promising, or at least not harmful, is problematic. Since Bitcoin does not increase the productive potential of the economy, the consequences of the assumed continued increase in value are essentially redistributive. And the wealth effects of consumption of early Bitcoin holders can only come at the expense of the consumption of the rest of society. If the price of Bitcoin rises for good, the existence of Bitcoin impoverishes the non-holders and latecomers, which means that line alone, if Bitcoin price rises for good, the existence of Bitcoin impoverishes both non-holders and latecomers. That means that they are scared that Bitcoin is going to keep mooning and that they will be left behind, because if Bitcoin keeps going up, more people opt into Bitcoin, opt out of trad systems, that means that that's less power that they have over you. Even when Christine Lagarde from the ECB was doing interviews asking about Bitcoin, someone said people don't want to be controlled. And she was like, well, that's basically too bad. And the euro, the digital euro, would have a lot of control in it. She basically said people need to be controlled. She said in another interview that if the central bank isn't the one holding things together, then the world's going to go into chaos. That is fear-mongering. These are people that try to scare you and shake you out your cowgirl boots. And that's not okay. And that's why you have to see through the madness. Say, madness, go over here because I'm over you. I know what the truth is. I know that Bitcoin is something I own, decentralized, peer-to-peer transactions with no censorship, no intermediaries. The fact that I could have something that can't be taken away from me, something that can't be infinitely printed. We know that fiat, we can't really track how much money they're printing if we really want to get real with it. Why? They also have digital printing. How much money is digitally printed? These magical bank apps, they're just telling you a balance. There's nothing really behind that, which is, for lack of better words, shocking. Yeah, let's print more money. Tax you on the money we print. Like, that's insane. They're going to get left behind, and that's where the fear comes from. They don't want to be left behind. And so we have to man up. We have to put on our big girl boots, cowgirl boots, and walk along the high road. That's exactly what we're going to do. It's exactly what we're going to do. Insane. Absolutely insane. Oh, yeah, if you bought Bitcoin low and you sold high, you're manipulating other people. You're exploiting the investors. Oh, please. That is absolutely ridiculous. Absolutely ridiculous. Tell that to the people that are insider trading within the governments and dumping on everyone's head every day. And then those are the people that are really getting exploited. But they stay a little quiet on that. Hello? Can we talk about insider trading, please? Hello? LOL. Guys, if you are bullish on Bitcoin and you're bullish on being your own bank, continue to smash these likes. Subscribe to the channel, share it out with friends. We have 8 more likes for 100, and I know we can do it.
Yeah.
Go pump it up. You got to pump it up.
Oh boy. Oh boy. All right. Hi, Digi. Welcome. Hi, Jay. He was asking why people have stars next to their name. It's because they're members of the channel and they get zesty emojis. Right, Anthony Palladino? Hi, Anthony Palladino. Shout out to you, the wifey and the babies. We have JR. Hello, King Alexander. Hello, everybody. Michael C. Nice to see ya. Welcome to the chat. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Hi, Michael. Nice to see you over there on TikTok. Also, other Bitcoin news. I should have probably spoken about this at the beginning. Should have probably spoken about it in the beginning. We got, right here, hold on. The New York Stock Exchange SIBO win an SEC approval for Bitcoin ETF options, which people did not think was going to get approved, or we were going to have a lot of beef going into this with
hucksters, fraudsters, scam artists, Ponzi schemes.
Hello, Spy 808. Nice to see you. Branko, good evening. Bell Miner, hello. Hi, everyone. Yes, shout out to the members indeed. Shout out to the members of the channel. Here's the news. The SEC approved stock exchange rule changes that permit the listing of options tied to spot Bitcoin ETFs, broadening the investment ecosystem around products that have received billions of dollars of inflows this year. According to 2 memos from the SEC published on Friday afternoon, again, they did this on a Friday because they do not want you to have any effect on the market, the trad market. They're like, oh my gosh, maybe things will trade on the weekend. People will pamp. That's literally why they do things on a Friday. They do not want people to be awake and listening. They're like, oh, people are just out having their weekend funds. That's why they do that on Friday, because they don't want real market effects. And they don't want people talking about it, because all the trad media takes off for the weekend and they go on vacations or whatever. According to 2 memos, again, they'll be allowed to list and trade options on the Grayscale Bitcoin Trust and the Grayscale Bitcoin Mini Trust and the Bitwise Bitcoin ETF. SIBO Global Markets got approval to list and trade options on the Fidelity Wise Origin Bitcoin Fund, FBTC, and the ARK21 Shares Bitcoin ETF, ARKB. The approval comes several weeks after the SEC approved NASDAQ's rule proposal to allow the listing and trading of options on BlackRock's IBIT. And options are derivatives that allow the purchase or sale of an underlying asset, in this case Bitcoin ETFs, at a predetermined price on or before an agreed upon date. Wow. Oh, much wow. Oh, wow. So I'm sure Gary wasn't happy about this. But again, the inevitability of Bitcoin is here. They don't like Bitcoin because they can't stop it and they can't sue Bitcoin. Yeah, they can't sue Satoshi. HBO. HBO's like, we found Satoshi. So funny. Shout out to Dubai Money. He says, I like to see my name on the screen. Makes me feel important. Well, you are important, my friend. Rain of love for you. We also have No G. Hello, No. Hello, No. Doge emojis for you. Hi, Dusty. Welcome. Hi, everybody. Memory Man, hello. Hello, everybody. All right. This is also something interesting happening in Japan, my friends, where a Japanese political party leader promised crypto tax cuts if they were elected. Take a gander. Japan's Democratic Party for the People, DDP, leader Yuichiro, I hope I'm pronouncing it right, Yuichiro Tamaki, proposed a new crypto tax plan that will lower tax crypto gains to 20% if elected, which 20% is a lot. That is a lot still. He said, if you think crypto assets should be taxed separately at 20% instead of treated as a miscellaneous income, please vote for the Dem Party for the People. Still, the plan could be far from fruition, as the DPP currently holds only 7 of the 465 seats in the House of Representatives, also known as the lower house of the National Diet of Japan. Taxing crypto gains at 20% would align them with the taxes being paid on profits from the stock market. No tax event would be triggered when exchanging one crypto for another under the plan, which is actually pretty interesting. So the only time you're getting taxed is, I guess, when you sell. But if you're going crypto to crypto, there's no tax, which I think that's pretty interesting. That's pretty interesting. I don't know. Are you bullish on Japan's tax cuts? That's insane. That's actually insane. I got flagged on TikTok. Of course I did. It's not about the U.S. This is a Japanese election topic, okay? Freaking darn, man. Freaking darn. Hi, Johnny in the chat. Raul. It's like, I love my morning news with Randy. Well, I love being here with y'all. Alexandra G says, have you smashed the like button? That's a good question.
Why don't you like and subscribe and share this video?
And if you didn't,
Oh, girl, baby girl, don't even play.
don't even play. Don't even play. Welcome, everybody. Welcome, welcome, welcome to the chat. I see more people flying in. Guys, we have a goal of 150 likes, but we have 100 right now. Hopefully we can get 125. We ain't gonna stop. We ain't stopping. And if you guys have any chart requests, please hand them over. Hand them over now. And I'll do a few requests before we head out. Let's see. I think I have one more thing. Oh, yeah, we have ApeCoin. So this is a chart we can do right now, too. Because ApeCoin surged 100% because Yuga Labs is debuting an ape chain. And if you guys are bullish on ApeCoin, then put a 1 or a yes emoji or 2 in an emoji.
You're welcome. Thank you. You're welcome. Thank you. You're welcome.
Hey Randy, can I get a follow on Twitch after your stream has finished? /Gar a little more.
Hold on. Let me see if I could. Hold on. What screen am I on? Okay. Let me see if I could actually follow you right now. I'll follow you right now. I'm not messing around. Hold on. Oh boy. I think I got it. Oh. I think I got it. Hold on. Gary! All right, I see Gary over here. Follow. Done. Done. You're welcome. Got you, fam. I got you. Don't worry about it. So, Gary is followed. There you go. Yay. I logged in just for you, Gary. Got you, fam. All right, so let's talk about ApeCoin, my friends. Search 100% because Yuga's launching their ape chain. ApeCoin launched and affiliated with the Bored Ape Yacht Club. It's a currency used for governance and transactions in the ApeCoin ecosystem, doubled in value over the weekend, topping $1.50 for the first time since April. And it comes from the ApeCoin team led by Yuga, debuting the highly anticipated blockchain network ApeChain, and the DAO voted to build the same in January this year. The new offering, which is a layer 3 developed on Arbitrum 1, is fully compatible with the Ape token and facilitates minting NFTs, trading decentralized apps, and enhancing user experiences. So this is very interesting. It went live on Sunday, the bridge, allowing users to transfer their tokens to ApeChain and automatically earn a staking yield on Ape, ETH, and stables. So this is very interesting that they're in the US and they're able to launch this because we know the US does not like staking. They don't. They don't. Yeah, you gotta follow. You gotta follow. Yeah, of course. Of course. Yeah, ApeCoin is going bananas, right, Bandgain? Right, Bandgain? Let's take a look at ApeCoin today. So, things worry me again when the price really skyrockets like that, but we know ApeCoin needed a saving grace. Why? We're going to take a look at this chart right now. ApeCoin, which is $1.47 at this fine moment, down 0.81%. Guys, we were at mad lows, the lowest the price ever was. Well, this is the Coinbase chart, so it could have been lower, but I don't believe so. So 70 cents was around our lows, maybe a little lower. Was that around 50 cents? Yeah, around 50 cents was our low there. So we passed the 200-day SMA because of this announcement. And so you want to hold above this dollar level because, again, it's psychological. But the going up that much is a little bit worrisome. We had a high of $1.73 about. Your bullish level to watch if you maintain this is $2, which again is a psychological level. Your bearish is $1. So when you have really massive pumps like this, it's a little bit scary because you know that it was just news induced. So is it sustainable? I hope for some of y'all's bags it is. I hope it is. They're eating, yeah. Well, that's definitely true. Wait, did we get rated? Hold on. I don't know if we got rated. Shout out to all the people popping in right now. Hi, Randi A. Hi, True. Hello, everyone. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Guys, pamp it up. Right, Andrew Cameron. All right, guys, if you have any chart requests, let me know. Let me know, let me know, let me know. All right, let's take a gander at Dogecoin. Dogecoin. Passing the 200-day SMA and closing above it for 1, 2, 3 days and going on number 4. Hopefully it maintains the 200-day SMA. Currently lies at 0.128 cents, so just below 13. Bearish level to watch is at 12.25. Bullish level to watch, again, a lot of selling pressure here at 17.5-cent Doge. And Elon, again, endorsing John Deaton. He's also endorsing Donnie T, going on a lot of campaign runs, helping him out. Helping him out. Looking right here, we are down 0.5%, sitting around 14 cents. With the red dot printed on the momentum, again, we're seeing a lot of red dots today, which is okay. We could retrace just slightly, because that's normal. It's just what happens. Green money flow is here with a VWAP heading towards that 0 line, almost going bearish, but we'll see where the day ends up. We also, why do I keep clicking this? Why? RSI is very overbought here with Doge. We haven't been at this level since right about here, and that was in March. In March, we were pamping to around 20 cents, which is a very lucky level, if you ask me. Beautiful. Dabeezy says, love the Doge, so do I, woof woof. Everyone put Doge emojis in the chat. Put Doge emojis. I see Solana. We could do Solana. Hi, Julio. Let's do Solana. Guys, smash the like, subscribe, share it. Let's talk about Solana. Solana. Baby, it's Solana. I'm gonna look at Solana. So you should look at yours too. Okay, so we have Solana with the selling pressure over here at this $170. We rejected that today, but we have been closing above the 200-day SMA for 3 days, going on number 4, hopefully. So that's good. 200-day SMA is like $150. If we reject that, we're looking at $133. Though, if we maintain the Zest, we pass 170. The bullish level to watch is 191. We're down 2.38% at $163 at the moment. Momentum is pushing. So is the money flow. VWAP is retracing ever so slightly, still bullish though. And RSI is bullish, retracing a little bit, but still in the bullish area. So I'll be happy with her. I'll be happy. BHD said it's a good week for cookies. It's always a good week for cookies. It's always a good week for love, positivity. Right, Army Piper? Oh, there's my Pipers. Frat Mama's here for you. Good morning. Good morning, everybody. Hello. BT says you liked my GIF on Instagram. Oh my gosh, yes I did. Yes I did. I thought it was funny. He was like this, like rubbing the grass. I thought that was great. Andrew S, thank you for subscribing. Legendary's here. Bliss is chilling. Piper, nice to see you. OC Tradefly, nice to see you. Oh yes, beautiful people in the chat. Hello. Hello. Caffeinated, good morning. Good morning, everybody. Guys, please smash the like, subscribe, smoke. Good morning. Nice to see ya. Nice to see ya. Oh my gosh, we surpassed our subscriber goal too. Guys, stay positive, friends. Stay positive because we have a lot of things going on in life. A lot of things going on in life. It's all about maintaining the sanities. It's all about doing things that make you happy, right? It's all about being happy. All right. I think there was one more. I don't know where the comment went. I saw another chart request. Pretty sure I know what it is, but we'll see. Okay. Because it's a sound check. Baby, it's a sound check. All right. So I think one of them was GRT. if I'm not mistaken. So I'll check that out. Give me a second. Let me make sure I'm on the right thing. I'm pretty sure this is the right chart. Okay. All righties. There we go. We got GRT. This is the Binance chart. Let me know if this is the right request. I'm pretty sure that's the comment I saw. Right, Leroy? Right, Leroy? I'm pretty sure that's what it is. Now, all right, we're going to look at this 20 cents, which again, psychological. We're at 17 now, down 5%. But your bullish level to watch is 20 cents, and that 21 cent 200-day SMA, even more bullish level to watch, is 34.5 cents. Bearish level to watch is 7 cents, 0.077. That's what we got. Looking at market Cipher, we have a green dot that's printed. Momentum's pushing. VWAP is sharply moved to the upside, but retracing ever so slightly. Green money flow is chilling. And the RSI, bam, bam, bam. Choppy, 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 but still bullish, even though it is retracing quite a bit. So this is what I got. Just watch out for that RSI. Watch out for that VWAP if it crosses below the 0 line. But yeah, your bearish level to watch is 7 cents. Bullish is the 20 cent mark in the 200-day SMA for GRT. That's what we got. That's what we got. Oh my gosh, guys, we have 125 likes already. Guys, we're killing it today. Oh my gosh. I love it. You guys are absolutely killing it today. Thank you guys for your love. Guys, let's all put heart emojis in the chat. Got you, Champlu. I got you, Champlu. Guys, I need heart emojis in the chat. Rain love. Because I think everyone needs love in their life. Everyone needs love in their life. My hair is crazy today. She needs a haircut. I need a haircut. And the dress today, guys, I don't know what you feel about it. Is this a vibe? One or yes emoji. Two or no emoji. Let me know. I don't think I've worn this in a while. Let me know. As you guys are smashing likes, do you like this? One or yes emoji, two or no emoji? Or is this not the style? Is this not what we should be looking for? Because the critical item that I know y'all are going to ask me about it is if it has pockets. No pockets. Pocketless. Pocketless. Chillin', basic, but no pockets. So that means you need a nice little bag with this. You need a nice little pocketbook. You need a pocketbook. Yeah, so this is the vibe for today. I figured, like, you know, bring zest, bring love. Vibes, hair, and dress on point. Thank you. My hair is crazy today, but thank you. I appreciate that. It's the humidity. It's the Floridian air. I love it here. I absolutely love it. And so I'm very happy. But again, no pockets. I know No is losing it. He's like, no pockets. What does this mean? I know, Rich. Thank you, Rich. Alexandra G says she loves it. If Alexandra G, my G, says it, then nothing else matters. Nothing else matters. I was also wearing sweatpants yesterday, and my sweatpants didn't have pockets. And then I was with someone, and they were like, why don't you have pockets today? Like, it's literally a thing with people now, is they ask me if I have pockets. Right, Band Gain? Right, Magic Sun, hello? No pockets, everyone's losing it. I don't know. No pocket dresses are made for dates and special occasions. Well, you know what? That's pretty interesting you say that, Andy, because a lot of wedding dresses now, because I'm on TikTok and I see this stuff, have pockets. Because these girls, they need to take them selfies during their wedding party. So I think pockets are a little essential. Right, David Bowles, Crypto Chef, welcome. Just the Bitcoin purse will do the dress. Oh my gosh, I would love some sort of Bitcoin purse. If we could get like a designer, like very bougie designer Bitcoin bag, I think that would actually do really well. And it would be great for press and marketing. That would be very interesting. When the pockets and socks, they should have like little toe pockets. Little toe pockets. Randy got pockets of the future. Thank you. Justin said, it's time for another Scott Carney session. Oh my gosh. Yes, I love Scott Carney. We're an absolute legend. We're an absolute legend. Love Scott Carney. Tell him I said that he's the best. And I sent him love. Nilo says, Zesty Fashion Line. Yes, I would love that. Yes. That would be perfect. That would be perfect. Guys, we're killing it today. I'm so happy. Like, this is ridiculous. We need 18 more likes for 150, and you guys are like, woo! Woo! This is so exciting. This is so exciting. All right. Let's actually take a look at XRP too, because XRP is at a critical level, guys. Critical levels, where we're looking at 54.5 cents, and the 200-day SMA is just below 54 cents, 0.5395. So, if you reject this 200-day SMA, you're looking at the bearish level 48 cents. But if you hold it and the selling pressure gets relieved, we want that 64 cents. But XRP really struggling right now. That's why I want to show it to you guys. I was like, wow, this is really like, it reminds me of like a tightrope. Such a tightrope type moment. But we have some money flow, green dots printed. So very interesting what's going on with the XRP. No pockets are fine. I hope that we're all approved of the dress, even though it has no pockets. At this rate, we'll be raving on Friday. Yes, we do want to rave. I love raving for y'all. I really do. I really do. Zesty purse fund. Oh my gosh, yeah. Yeah, I really do love like a cute little purse. You know what I mean? Welfare check on Emma and Randy. They're fine. They're fine. Emma's still not feeling good. They're fine. They're just chilling, man. They're just chilling. But yeah, XRP 2021 repeat, no bull run. Uh-oh. No, we're going to be okay, guys. I'm very bullish on this chat. Very bullish on our revolution. And you guys know I talk about the revolution all the time. But I love it so much. And I'm very bullish on all of y'all. I really am. I think we're going to go through a lot of changes in life, my friends. A lot of changes, a lot of love, a lot of things that we just have to make sure we grind. That's it. We have to work hard. Proof of work, as we say in the crypto space, proof of work. Put in that time, put in that work, put in the effort, and things will happen. I really do believe in karma. What goes around comes around. Fate. I'm a big believer in fate as well. Everything happens for a reason. We go through things for a reason. We have certain things that go, I don't know, crazy in our life for a reason, but I think it's all good. I think it's all good. It's just a matter of having people that stick by you, having people in your life that are positive, and just getting after it. It's all about self-care as well. You have to have self-care. Hello, Stu. Did I watch F1 Leclerc? Oh my gosh, no, I missed F1. Wait, was it on yesterday? See, that's how, like, you know, I've just been, like, kind of, like, just doing my own thing. You know what I mean? Especially, like, you know, sometimes you just gotta kind of do your own zest. And that's kind of what I did this weekend. But I did hang out with my girl, Mona. We had some pasta this weekend, so that was awesome. So shout out to Mona. But yeah, so that was great. It's all about spending time with friends and family. That's exactly what I did this week. I spent time with the friends, going and doing, being out and about. So that's what I've been trying to do. Because in New York, I wasn't really out and about. And I'm like, I was so sick of not being out and about. So now I'm out and about. And now I'm like here. And I love being here. And this is what I love. I love where I live. I love what I do. I love being here with y'all every single day of the week. And so we're going to get after it. Black Hat wants a sound check. Is everything okay? Hold on. Am I glitching?
The sound check.
Am I okay?
Baby, it's a sound check. I'm gonna check this sweet mic. Why don't you check yourself?
Thank you for subscribing, friend. Hello.
Thank you.
Oh.
You're welcome. Thank you. You're welcome. Thank you. You're welcome.
I'm not trying to be negative, but XRP is only over 50 cents. Are they seriously gonna allow all us to become $1,000,000 through XRP?
Well, thank you for the super chat. 1, Commando Spawn. 2, I honestly don't, I can't tell you that. I can't tell you that. I mean, listen, XRP, yes, it's 54 cents right now, almost 55. But, you know, I don't know what the future holds for price action. So, you know, I think a lot of people are betting on XRP. A lot of people like XRP, and I do think XRP is going to be used. And I do think and banks are using it now. Like, there's a lot of, like, enterprise blockchain stuff going on here. But I don't know what the future plan is. If the banks are really going to embrace XRP itself, or if they're using kind of XRP and XRPL as a testing ground to go do their own thing. you know? So I feel like there's a lot of things in my mind. Where does the future really go here? But I do know that there's a big community around it, and when there's a big community, then things happen. But I can't tell you about the millionaire type item. That's not something I could do. I wish I could have a crystal ball and tell you this is where everything's going. This is where it all ends up. You always have to have your bullish and your bearish case scenario and kind of go with that. But Commando Spawn, I very much appreciate you being here. Very much appreciate you being here. Oh, yes, we need a potato moment.
A potato flew around my room before you came, excuse.
We could do a quick Cardano chart. Cardano is 35 cents right now. 35 cents. Selling pressure is immense at this 37-cent level. Bullishly, you're looking at the 200-day SMA sitting at 40 cents and the 41.5-cent mark. Bearish level to watch, though, is 24 cents. We're down 2% today. That's what you got. But yeah, guys, I'm very happy that I'm here. David says we love you being here. Aww. That's very nice. That's very nice. Thank you. Hi, Alp. Robert D. or Day. Hello. Andy S. is chilling. Hi. Oh my gosh. I literally love this chat. How many Randi Hipper TikTok accounts? This is my only one. So please only follow this one. And if you ever need to double check, go to missteencrypto.com or randihipper.com and you'll be able to verify my socials. But yeah, we're killing it, guys. We have way above our subscriber goal. So we're absolutely killing it. So pamp it up to that.
Pump it up. You got to pump it up.
Thank you guys so much for being here. Thank you for supporting me. I appreciate every single one of you guys. And if you haven't yet, please smash the like, subscribe to the channel, share it out with friends because we're going to have an amazing week, guys. I'm always bullish on Bitcoin. I'm always bullish on you. You. I'm always bullish on you. I'm bullish on love. I'm bullish on positivity. And I'm bullish on, of course, staying zesty. Have a great day. Happy Monday. Let's kick off the week with love. Smash the like, subscribe, share it out. Stay zesty, guys. Peace.